Welcome to Total Crop Defense, the Grower's Choice Plant Guard Protocol. We offer organic protection for your crops from seed to harvest. Don't let months of hard work vanish in days. Growers face the nightmare of seeing issues like powdery mildew, bud rot, or failed testing just before harvest. Visible spores mean the infection is already widespread. Plant Guard 420 is your essential solution for healthy cannabis and hemp. This revolutionary approach uses specialized proprietary HOCl technology. It is non-toxic, organic, and effective, killing mold, mildew, and spores on contact. Our effectiveness goes down to the DNA level. HOCl breaks down cell walls and kills the pathogen's DNA on contact. Unlike some products, Plant Guard 420 remains pH neutral, destroying the pathogen without letting it build resistance. We offer uncompromised safety for the cultivator and the consumer. Plant Guard 420 has a neutral pH, evaporates cleanly, is plant-friendly, and requires no PPE for safe worker application. It is certified, no rinse organic. Follow the 3-step success plan to maximize germination, create a hostile environment for pathogens, and safeguard yield. Phase 1. Protect. At the seed and germination stage, apply Plant Guard 420 as a seed wash. This maximizes germination rates and protects seedlings by eliminating dormant spores on the seed casing. Phase 2. Prevent. During the vegetative and flowering cycles, maintain regular preventative applications. This creates an environment where pathogens cannot survive. It is safe to use through harvest, without damaging trichomes or terpenes. Phase 3. Preserve. At the harvest and storage stage, apply Plant Guard 420 as a harvest wash. This safeguards your valuable yield during storage and processing. No rinse is needed as it evaporates without residue. Plant Guard offers targeted pathogen control, including addressing powdery mildew, bud rot, septoria, HLVD, hop latent viroid, and fusarium wilt. It prevents recurrence and reduces the spread of harmful pathogens. Beyond the plant, Plant Guard 420 is excellent for system maintenance. Use it to eliminate biofilm in fertigation lines, clean tools and hard surfaces, and maintain general hygiene in indoor and outdoor environments. Enjoy cultivation without worry. Maximize yields, safeguard your equipment, and eliminate pathogens safely. Your plants deserve the best protection, and you deserve a thriving crop. Secure your crop today. Get Grower's Choice Plant Guard, the natural way. Contact information is on screen for ordering the Plant Guard 420formula.org. Visit our website at growerschoiceplantguard.com.